Hello everyone. Today in the morning I thought I should make veg pulao in breakfast. So when I started my cooking, while cooking I thought I should make a vlog so that I can share my recipe along with my spoken English. Actually, I have already chopped half of potato and cauliflower before. Now I'm just chopping some rest of potatoes and cauliflower in fine pieces. In addition, I have taken some more veggies. I generally use truffle peas because I like it very much. Besides this, I took some more veggies like carrot, beans and tomato and some more. But I didn't take onion because I wanted to offer to God as a bhog. Now I am adding asafoetida in warm mustard oil. Along with that, I am adding some cumin seeds, half of a spoon. Heat the oil until it's hot and wait for cumin seeds to crackle. In addition, I added small mustard seeds as well. Then it's time for adding chopped potato and cauliflower for shallow frying and let it cook until it turns into brown. Stir it between over and over again. Then keep flame high. It's looking very tangy. Then I washed all carrots and chopped into small pieces. Then after that I am adding into it. As you can see in the video, now the time to chop beans. It's rich in fiber, protein and lower cholesterol and regulates blood sugar. Now it's turn to add with all veggies, so I'm adding this. After that I had taken washed capsicum, then I'm just chopping into small pieces, then I'm adding into it. It's just looking very aromatic and colorful. As you can see in the picture, I'm stirring it so that it also can be shallow fried. Now it's turn to add green peas. I generally add in the last after adding all veggies. Then I have taken tomatoes for chopping. Then I am adding one more interesting ingredient. Yes, this is cottage cheese. Actually, my children like it very much in the pulao. Truly, it's looking very colorful and scrumptious. Even my mouth was watering while making it. Then I am adding 2 cloves into it. These veggies are very healthy, so we must add into it while making pulao. Then I have added turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. After adding all spices, I mixed it well. Seriously, I love veg pulao very much. Even I can't control myself. Basically, I generally use Everest garam masala in my all dishes. It enhances taste more. Then I sprinkle black pepper. Along with that, I use chaat masala. It enhances the taste more. Then I mix it well, and now the time has come to add chopped tomato. Then you can look at this and please tell me how is it looking. Now the time has come for adding soaked rice. So guys, please tell me you also make rice in same method. And I have already chopped green chilies, then I am adding it. After that, we have to mix it well so that all ingredients and all spices mix well. Could you see the color of rice, how it looks so beautiful? Now it's turn to add water. I have taken 1.5 bowl of rice, so that's why I am adding 3 bowl of water into it. As you know, veggies also release some water, so that's why we just keep in our mind water quantity should not be more than 3 bowl. Now I am adding salt into it as per our taste. Now I am closing the lid of cooker, then wait for 1 whistle. Then increase the flame. Now my pulao is ready. Then you can see it, how it's looking. Do you wanna see it? Okay, come. So my colorful veg pulao is ready. I really like it very much. I cannot say how much I like it. In that way you can make at your home. You really enjoy and love this taste.